In an effort to standardize documentation and training, the internal training request form was created. This form will allow managers and team leads the opportunity to request training for their teams and individual team members. We do ask that submissions only come from managers to keep from receiving duplicate requests. This form should be used to request new process documentation, as well as updates to existing process docs, instructional videos, and additional training for teams and/or individual team members regarding processes, systems, and software. To begin, enter your name and email address, then provide the subject of the request, which should provide a high-level description of the training. For example, if you are requesting an overview of a feature in Asana, the subject might read, Asana, how to see a list of tasks that you are listed as a collaborator. The next section defines the type of training and/or documentation. Select all that would apply, and if unsure, the assignee of the training will work with you to determine what would benefit the audience. In the priority dropdown, select high, medium, or low. A high priority means the topic is hindering the audience from doing their job correctly and is impacting clients. Low priority means the audience would benefit from learning more about the subject, but still able to continue with their day-to-day responsibilities. The following section is the most important on the form. The assignee will rely heavily on this portion to build the training, so be as detailed as possible. If a process document or video is the subject, provide steps for the process and relevant links to other process docs, articles, and videos that might be referenced to help the audience learn. Additionally, background information can be helpful for the learner to understand why this training is necessary. After the description of the training, provide the name of a subject matter expert, if different than the submitter, for the assignee to contact when questions arise while building the training materials. Next, enter an ideal due date for the training to be completed. For example, if the training is to be presented during a team meeting, enter the date of the meeting and also add that to the description section. This field can be left blank, and the assignee will work with the submitter to determine a completion date. Lastly, add any relevant attachments that will aid in the development of the training. Once all fields are complete, select Submit. A confirmation email will be sent to you, and an Asana card is created on the internal training request board. As the assignee builds the training materials, the Asana card will move to In Progress, and the submitter and/or SME will be added as the collaborator. After a first draft is complete, the card will move into the SME peer review column, and collaborators will be notified to review the material and ensure all information is correct before moving the card to complete.